Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen today. I wanted to show off a smoothie bowl recipe for you. It's called the Blackberry Beet Smoothie Bowl. It's super easy to make in your Vitamix. Today I'm using the Vitamix V1200, this is the Ventura series, with the 64 ounce low profile container. Now for the smoothie bowl, it's really simple. We're going to start with just a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. So we throw that in there first. Get a spatula if you need to. All right. And then the blackberries. Now we do 1 cup of blackberries. Dump those in there. The beets, a half a cup of beets. You want to cook these and then cube them and peel them. So we do a half a cup of those. The spinach, this is 1 cup of spinach. You could do any kind of greens, but this is what the recipe calls for. And then the mango, just 1 cup of mango there. And then mango chunks, and then frozen peaches or fresh peaches, just make sure they're thawed first, is what the recipe calls for. Another, just 1 cup of those. So throw that in there. Now just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. All right, and then this is optional. It's a tablespoon and a half of honey, just to sweeten it up. And we'll get our spatula again to get that honey out. Perfect. All right. And we're set. We'll put our lid on here. And we always start on 1, and we increase the speed to 10. We're going to let it go for about 45 seconds. So we started on 1 here. Set. Let it go, like I said, about 45 seconds. Once you start it, if it doesn't start processing on its own, be sure to use your tamper stick and push everything down to those blades, no problem. And look at this, we got a nice vibrant color for our smoothie bowl. We'll get this dished up and you guys can check this out. We got that in there. And then you can top it with some shredded coconut if you like. And then I like to just throw a few whole blackberries in there, just for presentation. And we're set. Now let's get a spoon and we can try this out. Perfect. The texture is smooth. The coconut gives it a little crunch. It's delicious. You're going to love it.